Goodbye, old helmet. Thanks for saving my dome. Alright guys, I am back. Sort of. I'm not doing any sort of hard enduro today, but I am on the 690, stretching its legs after being stationary for I don't know how long in the garage. I got it up for sale. That might change after today. It usually does after I do a ride. But I just need to get out of the house. I'm going crazy after my accident. Haven't ridden since it was October 3rd when I crashed. So I'm heading out to Nelson Hills today just to say what's up to the guys. The rest of the crew's riding single track out there today, so I wanted to say what's up. Gives them an excuse to get out of the house and ride this bike. Alright, here we are at Nelson. My favorite place to ride. And my favorite place to crash. I gotta stop talking about that and get that out of my head. I'm still beating myself up about it. Pisses me off. Shoulder's feeling pretty good. The 500 is not ready to go yet. It needs suspension work. New moose bibs are shot. And I think I gotta adjust the valves. It's having a hard time starting. All in due time. I'm sure about another month, maybe two, I'll be back on that bike. I'm just gonna take it easy. What up?
How's it going, sir?
Oh my God, riding motorcycles is way more fun than sitting on the couch.
Back on two wheels.
Shit fucking feels good. See you, man. Oh man, that's so tough seeing them right away. I want to go follow them and chase them down the trail, but I know better. And I told myself I'm just gonna like take it easy, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I think I'm just gonna get back on this and cruise down to Lake Nelson or down to Lake Mojave. So let's see what I can get into without killing myself. Here is the, oh man, I always screw up the name, Tehachapi something mine. Bunch of cool old stuff out here. New rules, I don't blame them. So much cool stuff. I like the sign, don't be here after dark. Well, let's go check out the cave. Up here once before, but I didn't go exploring too much. Bunch of fucking people. Fucking quads. Yep, that's too many people for me. On to the next. They all just looked at me like I was crazy. Fuck. Alright, just scoping stuff out. There's this wash with these cock-shaped rocks down here. Maybe I'll go check it out. There's a fence, but there's a road. I mean, clearly it's for motorcycles. Not many people take it. fuck. Here we go. Yeah, that's what you get, stupid. Alright. Getting a little stupid. Motherfucker. Kinda hurt. Probably watch what I'm doing. I don't know if I should even go down this part. Bike is just so fucking heavy with all this bullshit on there. Ah, damn, this bike's heavy. I'm not used to it. Jesus, that was a freaking workout. Alright, get your cock rock photo. Alright, here goes nothing. Dumbass. Calm down. Easy, tiger. You are not on the 500. You are on a 690 with luggage. Alright. That was enough adventure for today. Off-road adventure, that is. Alright, here we are out at Lake Mojave. Stole one of Al's beers, so I'm gonna walk down and get a little closer to the water. Nice day today, but a little brisk, a little chilly for a ride. So that's a place to myself. And here is Lake Mojave, also the Colorado River. Nice day today, except for the cold breeze. It's probably 40 something degrees outside. I don't know, maybe 50. I'm probably just being a wuss. It's a cool beach across the way. That'd be cool to paddle to one day. Just park over here at, I believe it's Eagle Wash. This is right down this way. You can go up and down the river, or yeah, just go right across. Seems like a good private beach. Well, I think that's enough of that. Don't you like my hair?